Hello friend, Gokul Global University presents a video lecture on discrete mathematics. This chapter is included in unit number 1, set theory and function. First of all, we discuss about the definition of set theory. A set is collection of well defined object. Each of the sub object in the set is called an element of the set. Element of a set are usually denoted by lowercase while sets are denoted by capital letters. The symbol belongs to indicates the membership in a set, while the symbol does not belongs to is used to indicate that an element is not in the set. We can use the example of belongs to. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and A and B, then we can write A is in A, 1 is in A, but 4 does not belongs to in the set A because number 4 does not included in the set A. Now we discuss about some definition of set theory. First definition is empty set. Empty set does not contain any element and it is denoted by phi. A set which contains at least one element is called non-empty set. A set which contains exactly one element is called singleton set. A set which contains finite number of elements is called finite set. A set which contains infinite number of elements is called infinite set. Two sets A and B are called equal if they have exactly the same elements and we write A is equal to B. Otherwise the sets are called unequal set. We write A is not equal to B. Operation on a set. Suppose that U is a universal set and A and B are any two set. Then we know that the union of two set A union B is equal to X is an element where X in A or X in B. Similarly, the intersection A intersection B where X is such an element X in A and X in B. Then difference A minus B where X in A and X does not belongs to B. Now we take another operation A delta B, that is called a difference. X where X in A union B and X does not belongs to A intersection B. The complement of a set A in the set of all element which belongs to universal set U but does not belongs to A. We can use one example. If U is given A and B is given, we can find A union B, A intersection B, difference of A and B, A delta B, A dash and B dash. Solution is given that. Venn diagram. First universal set is given. The first figure says that the shaded color is A intersection B. In figure number 2 is called A union B. Figure number 3 is called A minus B, that is called the difference of two sets. Similarly, difference of two another set B minus A, because shaded region is B. In this region subtract the set A. The shaded region 5 is called A delta B, and complement of A, the shaded region is called complement of A. Important result of cardinal numbers. Number of A union B is called a number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. What is number of A? If A has 5 element is given, that 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, then number of A is equal to what? 5. That is called a number of A union B. The definition of number of A union B. Number of A union B union C is called number of A plus number of B plus number of C minus number of A intersection B minus number of B intersection C minus number of A intersection C plus number of A intersection B intersection C. Similarly, we can see the another result, like a number of A dash intersection B dash is called a complement of a set, number of U minus number of A union B. Power set. The set or family of all subset of given set A is said to be the power set of A and is denoted by P of A. Symbolically, power of A is equal to X, where X is in subset of A. Cartesian product A cross B. The definition of Cartesian product is A and B are two non-empty set, where A order pair AB, where A is in A and B is in B. If A and B both are non-empty set, then A cross B is equal to phi. Function. Now we discuss about another topic, is function. Let A and B be two non-empty set. Suppose that to each element of a set A, we assign a unique element of set B. The collection of such assignment is called a function from A to B. Functions are ordinarily denoted by symbols. For example, if f denote a function from A to B, then f from A to B, where A is called domain, B is called codomain. Some standard function, identity function is defined on domain to domain, where f of x is equal to x is called an identity function. Next definition is constant function, where constant f of x is equal to c, where c is a constant. This is called a constant function. Then modulus function, f of x is equal to modulus of x, where modulus of x, where x is greater than or equal to 0, then result is x. But if x is less than 0, then result is minus x. The range of this function is R positive, that is called 1, 2, 3 up to so and so, but union 0, that means 0 is included in modulus function. Injective function, that is called a 1-to-1 function, 1-1 function, injective function, where x1 and x2 two elements both are not equal to, then their image is also not equal. If images are equal, then their elements also are equal. This is called a 1-to-1 function. Then onto function. A function f from A to B is called onto function. That is called a surjective function if range of f is equal to b. If given function is not onto function, then it is called a into function. Now bijective function. Bijective function means the function which is 1-to-1 and onto function both, then it is called a bijective function. Then composite of two function. If f from A to B is a one function, another function g from C to D, then we may define a new ZOF. A to D is called composition of f and z as follow. G composed with f of x, where z of fx. That is, we find the image of x under f then we find the image of fx under C. Then last definition is inverse function. F from a to b be a function if there exists another function g from b to a such that z composed with of a is called identity function and f composed with z is identity function in domain B. Then we say that z is the inverse function of f and z is denoted by f inverse. This is the definition of inverse function. And here another note is given: if f from a to b has the inverse z from b to a, if and only if f from a to b is 1 to 1 and on to both.